Hi, welcome to Non-Confusing Audio. In this video I'll be showing you some tips and tricks in FL Studio that you might not have known about. Detached. So Detached will allow you to see multiple VSTs at once, rather than a VST disappearing the second you click away. So here's what happens when a VST is not detached. If I click anywhere on the screen, it just disappears. But here is what happens when a VST is detached. If I click anywhere on the screen, it stays where it is. So to make a VST detached, simply click this arrow here and select Detached. So this can be really useful when you're EQing or tuning drums, or really whenever you need your VST to stop disappearing. Purge clips. If you've been trying out a ton of random samples looking for that perfect sound, they can start adding up in your project file very quickly. And eventually this can lead to your CPU doing this. So to get rid of the sounds you're not using all at once, simply click Tools, Macros, Purge Unused Audio Clips. So this will instantly get rid of any sounds that are in your project file but not currently in your track. Route all sounds. Rather than spending a long time routing your samples to the mixer one by one, you can route all your samples at once. So this can be done by double-clicking the sample selector until they all light up, going to the mixer and selecting the track where you want your samples to go. We'll start at 3. Then hold Ctrl and Shift while you press L. Quickly bounce audio. You can quickly turn any song layer into a sample. So if I'd like this synth chord to be a sample, I can right click here and select Consolidate this track from Track Start. This can be really useful when you'd like to conserve your CPU usage. Typically, VSTs will use more CPU resources than samples. Randomize plugins. You can randomize plugins by clicking this arrow and selecting Randomize. This can be extremely useful when you're sound designing or whenever you're experimenting. Here's the sound that I just randomly generated. This can be used on any VST. But do be careful when you're doing this, because sometimes the gain knob will randomly be turned all the way up. Metronome. You can change the sound of your metronome by right-clicking here and selecting the sound that you want. You can choose between hi-hat, tick, a beep, or a cowbell. If you'd like more tips and tricks or exclusive sample packs, become a member at nonconfusing.com. Members receive exclusive music production and mixing techniques. Also, a new sample pack every month. If you want to learn exclusive techniques and have great sounds, click the link in the description below to become a member. This has been a few FL Studio tips and tricks that you might not have known. Thank you for watching.